To add education, high school or college to your profile on Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome in this tutorial. I will be showing you how to do this. Isn't quick, so let's do it. Open first your Facebook and come now to your profile. Then you should come to edit profile, and here you will find right now this list of options. Click on edit here and we'll find education. For example, I will add a college. I will click, for example, college name. I don't know, just random name, for example this, and I will choose this start date, if I'm graduated or not. Here, if I'm graduated, I will choose the end and click save when I finish. And that's all, guys. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.